Hello, welcome to Far From Home Kitchen. Today we're going to make Coca-Cola Chicken Wings, which is a simple, nice, easy dish to make. Okay, we're going to use some whole chicken wings. You can use only the mid joints as well, which is the most common way. However, I like to use a whole joint because it can get different textures. So we're going to cut the chicken wings by the joints. There should be a soft spot. It's really easy to cut through. Do not force through cutting it. Find a soft spot first. We're going to remove the excess fat and going to remove the chicken wing tips. They contain lots of hormones and toxin, which is not healthy to eat. After cutting chicken wings, should look like this. The next step, we're going to blanch the wings. Start with cold water. Always start with cold water and blanching meats. After the water comes to boil, we're going to remove the impurities from the top. And after 2 minutes, we're going to remove the chicken wings from water and discard the water. Next, we're going to heat up a Chinese wok. If you don't have a Chinese wok, you can always use a stainless steel pan. I'm going to add oil to the wok. And then we add some ginger slices, which helps with the flavor and also makes the wok more non-stick. And then we're going to add the chicken wings. Add all the chicken wings. Give them around 1 minute before you start flipping them around, so they could brown better on the first side. So after they brown a bit, you're going to stir fry them. Flip them around, roll them around, make sure they're evenly brown. This should take a few minutes. Be patient with it. And after that, add some Chinese cooking wine and then add soy sauce. Soy sauce we always add directly to the wok on the side, so this will act the wok chi or the wok heat, wok flavor. And after that, we add the Coca-Cola to the wok. The amount of Coca-Cola, you just need to cover the chicken wings. Next, we're going to throw in a bunch of spring onions and then some star anise to the wok. And going to remove the impurities that float to the top again. This will make the sauce less cloudy. And we're going to turn to low heat and simmer until the sauce reduces to around 20%. So that should take approximately 15 to 20 minutes depending on the amount of cooking and depending on the flame. Okay, and then after it's been reduced, we're going to remove the aromatics, the spring onions, the ginger, and the star anise cloves. Next, we're going to add some salt and white pepper powder. Always use white pepper powder for Chinese cooking, almost always. And also going to add some dark soy sauce, around 1 tablespoon for coloring. And we're going to turn this up to high heat just to reduce down quickly, reduce the sauce down to really thick consistency. We don't want it to dry out completely because we still want some sauce to cover the chicken. So this is the consistency we're looking for. Just some nice and dark color. No cornstarch is needed, just a natural reduction. So this is really nice and simple party dish, great for home dinners as well, great for families. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and like. I'm going to bring you another nice recipe pretty soon. Okay, thank you, see you.